How does sound travel? If you place your fingers on your throat while talking or humming, you can feel vibrations. If you see a stringed musical instrument like the veena or the sitar being played, you can see its strings vibrating. If you strike its string gently to produce a sound and then touch it, you can feel the quivering metal wire. In fact, all sounds are the results of vibrations. A body can produce sound when a part or the whole of it vibrates within certain frequencies. Our ears can hear only those sounds which are produced by vibrations of frequencies ranging between 20 and 20,000 vibrations per second. Sound travels from one place to another in the form of waves which we cannot see, but can feel and hear. These waves need some medium to travel along. They cannot travel in vacuum. We live in an ocean of air, with our feet on the ground. This air is a good medium for sound to travel from place to place. Solids and liquids can also carry sound waves. A solid must be elastic for this purpose. The well-known string telephone, which all children like to make and play with, shows how a tightly stretched string can carry sound. When sound travels through the air, the vibrating body pushes the air particles close to it and they pass on the disturbance to those next to them. The process goes on until the vibrations reach the eardrum, which also vibrates and sends message to the brain. The temperature of air has a considerable effect on the speed of sound. Fire has been one of most useful and essential tool for mankind. It was the control of fire and making of tools that slowly led to better life for the caveman. He found fire useful but was also scared of it, accompanied by the emission of light and heat. Fire is a rapid and continuous chemical reaction. The color of the flame depends upon the material that is burning and the temperature it is reaching. In this chemical reaction, two substances combine to form one or more new substances. The substances that we commonly use to make a fire are wood, coal, paper, petrol, etc. are mainly made up of carbon and hydrogen. To burn these, oxygen is required. While burning, these oxygen and carbon combine together to give carbon dioxide and also combines with hydrogen to form water. The smoke that then is visible is a mixture of carbon particles, dust particles and hot gases. To start the process or the chemical reaction of burning, a certain temperature must be reached. Once the process starts and the fuel starts burning with enough heat to burn the rest of the fuel, we get a continuous fire till all the fuel is consumed. When oxygen and the fuel molecules react in this manner, the energy that is released is the heat. Combustion can be rapid or slow. In rapid combustion, heat and light are both produced. In slow combustion, only heat is produced, which can be very low in amount. For example, when food is digested in our bodies, oxidation takes place and heat is produced.